Makeup? Makeup! Makeup! Everything good? You good?
You get the lighting good?
I think so.
Don't need to box them out.
No, we're good. No.
Is it washing me out?
It's not. I think we're good.
It's good. It's better.
I think it's good. It's good. This is a special edition of the vlog today. For those of you who don't know, every year, Jason and I and Anca, we do a run to Fort Myers. We are actually in South Florida. We're going to Southwest Florida to do our firework run. I do every time this year, and it's that time again. Jason's here, and we are at Sky King Fireworks. Oh yeah! Big boom! Time to get our fireworks shopping on, and the only reason that we're here, because normally every year we go here, and they have the buy one get two free deal in Fort Myers, which is where we are right now. We're in Fort Myers, Florida. And we decided, because of the comment section of the last video, if you didn't see that, I'll link it up at the top. You can watch that one as well. But because of those comments, it led us to Sky King. And this year, our shopping will be done there. Are you ready, Jason?
I'm ready.
Let's go get our fireworks shopping on.
Let's get it on.
Let's do it. I'm looking forward to something different. A different place to get the fireworks. We made it to Sky King already, welcomed very nicely into the store. And this, come on, look, we're here. I have to say, I love this actually, somewhere new.
Nice layout.
For us anyway, for us.
They may just have my heart.
I think they do.
I shit on you too.
Funny.
That was a poop firecracker.
I think we gotta get one of those. Oh yeah. Hello! Howdy how! Oh, first of all, should we go with these firecrackers? These firecrackers? These firecrackers? Those firecrackers? Or those? Or those? 16,000? Light all those off at one time? These are the 500 gram.
21 shots. These are the roll 90, 79, 79, 80.
Give you an idea. So if it's $79.99 and you give it two free, great.
How about one night? This is yours.
No, that's not mine. But get it. Why not?
I like the Epic Balls.
Okay, get the Epic Boss too.
Festival. 99?
99. So two more 99. Let's get some. Oh, Asylum. Asylum. And
Red Widow.
how much is that one? Is that 99? Yeah, get that one.
How about one bad mother-in-law?
No, let's go Epic. All right. Let's go with some Insane. Some 50 Shades of Boom. Run for Cover. Some Unhollowed. And
The money shot.
we got to get the money shot.
Let's make it rain.
just so you can see what we've currently got in the cart. We're getting there. We're currently at about 250 bucks. Right?
Yeah.
250 bucks, something like that.
That's the last call. We need one more. 150 bucks.
What is that one?
That's 219, 179, 169.
It's a good thing that they have all the videos online for us to look at. They also have Apple TVs in the store where you can look at them as well. It's a nice store. If we didn't have the videos online to go by, all we would go by is basically the packaging and what the packaging looks like. You know, how else do you buy them? You look at who has the best packaging. Zombie outbreak, anybody?
Steel, which is 99, right?
Yeah. So grab that one.
And you got the Conference Fire. So this is 3 for 99.
Yep. I'm gonna put one of those back. 79 down there. You wanna try that one? Why not?
Well, you have some really good ones in your. Let me get the.
Yeah.
There we go. That's what we need. That's part of the finale, right?
Definitely gotta get one of these. It's a stupid buy, but hey, why not?
Say hello to my little friend.
We got crowns. Jeez, what? Oh boy. Look at that. I love it. That's awesome.
And in the back,
Thank you very much.
that way you have an official shirt to light in.
Nice.
Yes.
For sure, yeah.
Sounds
There's
good.
a large.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Hi, I hope you enjoyed your first Sky King experience and we made it enjoyable for you. Thank you.
You did. You did. You made it very enjoyable.
That's what we're here for.
Thanks for all the help.
Thank you. Happy
right.
4th of July.
Happy 4th.
Go blow some shit up.
Yes, we will. Thanks, guys. Now we got to transport these things all the way to South Florida, and we got to transport them all the way back to North Florida.
Yep.
You want to just go to North Florida now? And
Let's just go. It's
Let's
only
just go?
1 o'clock. We can get there by 5.
Oh, it's 1 o'clock? Well, yeah, we can be up there by 4, 5 o'clock, flip it around, be back in time for work tomorrow, right?
Let's do it.
I don't think so. Let's head back south. By the way, for those of you who didn't realize, but Anca is here as well. Anca was our budget keeper.
Yes, sir.
She kept us on budget this year, right?
I kept on budget last year too.
Yes, you did. Yeah, and we're good. I'm not going to tell you what that budget is because it's none of your business.
But Anca no.
But we're on budget, right?
Yeah.
We're on budget.
You good, bro?
I'm good. I'm good. All right. Why don't you close the vlog? Because I'm done. All right. Peace. Jason, was there anything else that you wanted to add to this, you know?
No. But a good day.
It was a good day, wasn't it?
I now have a garage full of fireworks that I hope don't go boom in my
Oh, you'll be fine.
boom in my garage till 4th of July.
You'll be fine. Couple weeks, and I can't wait to show you the show. Just in a couple weeks' time. Now, what we've got to do is we've got to prepare our remote detonation system.
Gotta get that down.
We got to get that down, check it out, and then we've also got to load our tubes.
Yes.
So there's the mortar tubes. So there's a lot of things still that we got to prep for. Really looking forward to a good show for the 4th of July. Just a little fun with some
big boom!
big boom! If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up.
And tell us where we went wrong.
Yeah!
Again!
Tell us where we went. Why not? Just let us know what we did wrong, okay? Yeah, we're fine. No problem. Love the comments that we had on the last one. Really looking forward to the comments that we're about to have on this one. I'm sure you're gonna have a lot to say. Until next time, we'll see you then. Thanks for watching.